Here
in the Tyrolean Mountain Rescue Team, we've realised that science is of vital importance for us too. Over the last 2 years, we've carried out several projects together with Innsbruck Medical University's Department of Anaesthesia. We're currently working on a project aimed at demonstrating the effect of the heating technology used in heated socks, gloves and insoles on avalanche transceivers. We use the transceivers that our mountain rescue team members mostly use, and I would say the results we've obtained are really convincing.
From
a technical point of view, it was interesting to take a look at the current drain of the gloves. We found out that the heat output of the gloves is varied by means of pulse width modulation. That means the power or heating element switches on and off intermittently. And signals like that do have the capacity to interfere with electromagnetic devices, such as avalanche transceivers. Yes, I believe the tests we're carrying out are very important, especially in off-piste terrain. In the case of an avalanche, for example, when you're searching for someone with a transceiver, the heated gloves, socks or insoles certainly interfere with the device, and that's precisely what we're trying to get to the bottom of today. We're really curious now what the results will show.
It was in
the interest of prevention that the Tyrolean Mountain Rescue decided to examine the question of whether heated gloves have an effect on avalanche transceivers. The study is being carefully carried out and documented by several specialists, all from our own ranks. In collaboration with Innsbruck Medical University, our findings and measurements were processed in a scientific study which produced some drastic observations. For example, when switched-on heated gloves were located near the searching avalanche transceiver, we observed an unmistakable and significant reduction in the distance of the first signal reception, that is, the distance between the buried transceiver and the searching transceiver. When the heated gloves were switched off, the distance was only minimally reduced. In the case of heated socks and insoles, we noted only a minimal reduction in the distance of the first signal reception, and in the situation when the heated elements are on the body of the buried person, that is, together with the sending transceiver. In this case, there was no notable reduction in the distance of the first signal reception, and therefore no relevant interference. In keeping with the results of similar studies, our research demonstrates that electric and electronic devices near the searching avalanche transceiver can, by all means, have fatal consequences. Therefore, we recommend, if possible, not to make use of such devices. If that's not feasible, ensure they remain switched off.